Let's go.
The new gutters that were installed by Hybar are working efficiently. Rained recently, everything worked great, and it really finished the house. Cleaning that Hybar did on this house is excellent. The process we went through, we told what color range we wanted. We got a bunch of samples. We were able to go online and look at other samples. They brought over 3 that we narrowed it down to. We painted a piece of siding, and we were able to let it dry and actually know the color exactly before we actually put it on the house. And it's turned out excellent. It's night and day from what this house used to be. This house was a white vinyl siding that was going horizontal, and blue, yes, with the white looks nice. And the cleanup was superb. Yeah, so Hybar explained everything very clearly. In almost daily communications with CJ and with Blake when needed. They stopped by periodically, checked on things. Excellent communication, quick response time. This started out as a roof repair. They didn't want to pay on the roof other than just a little section of the roof. Blake came out, took a look. I signed over for him to go negotiate with my insurance company, and he handled everything from there. Told me that everything was finalized, what it was going to cost, etc. Taking that weight off of me, dealing directly with the insurance company is where I see the true value of what Hybar brings outside of the craftsmanship that they do. To take that away from a homeowner and that doesn't understand the insurance lingo and all that type of thing, I can't say enough. My name is Roger. This is actually my 3rd transaction with Hybar. All of them have been superb. I'm going to give them a 5-star review for sure on Google. Highly recommend them. I've actually already referred them to a couple of different people here in the Fort Worth area for sure. Thank you, Blake and CJ.